All right, y'all, today we're gonna do some smothered green beans. I guarantee you bring them to a party, there won't be none left, baby. Let's get it. Today, y'all, because we're doing this for Thanksgiving, baby, I'm gonna go ahead on and use fresh green beans, but often I use the green beans in a can. So it's kind of like if you got time, you can do these. If not, you can definitely go with the can, baby. Go ahead on, y'all, and cut both ends off, baby. And then just go ahead on and snap them green beans just in half, just like that. While I'm over here snapping these green beans, come see what RJ's got on the smoker, baby. Come on down. Show them what you got, RJ, baby.
We got red, baby.
Oh, yeah. Nice piece of pork now. Been on the smoker for a while. Still got a little while to go, but just check that out. Guarantee you that's delicious. Kind of brung in RJ, my reinforcement, to help snap these here green beans, y'all. It's going to take some time, but just enjoy it and don't rush. So the green beans y'all see here, y'all, this is about 4 pounds. Just so you have an idea of what we're cooking, baby. You can adjust it. This is probably gonna feed at least about 20 people at least. So you can go more. You can absolutely cut this recipe in half. But either or, this amount's gonna be for 20 servings. All right, y'all, we got all them green beans snapped. Go ahead on, y'all. Make sure you wash them off real good, baby. Definitely wanna clean them good. All right, y'all, them green beans are washed up. Go up in your pan. If you wanna use your pot inside, you definitely can. We like cooking outside, baby. We got 3 pounds of these potatoes. Go ahead on and cut them in 4s. Go ahead on and dice up 2 medium yellow onions, baby. Now go up in there with your potatoes. Let's go up in there with that yellow onion. Slice up 2.5 pounds of that smoked sausage. This is gonna give you that great smoky flavor in them green beans, y'all. So let's go ahead on and cut it up. All right, y'all, 1 stick of butter. I'm gonna go ahead on and brown up my sausage. It's definitely optional. You don't have to, but you can. All right, y'all, while I'm browning up this sausage, I got the green beans over here. They're getting a little heated up, and then we'll go ahead on and add it together. Now go up in them green beans, y'all. You want to put enough water to just barely cover them up, because we need that water to cook out. So now we're gonna go up in there with that sausage. Definitely look how much water I put in there, y'all. That's it, that's all we want now. Now go up in there with that Ralphthebaker Cajun seasoning. Be generous. Your onion powder. And go up in there with some garlic powder. And of course, baby, you already know, another stick of butter. And just go ahead on, y'all, and carefully mix it all up so you get that seasoning everywhere. Just like that. All right, y'all, now I'm gonna go ahead on and let these green beans cook for a nice long time, baby, till that water's out of them for the most part. I'm gonna come back and show you. Let's go check on RJ's pork lawn over here. Not show y'all, baby, look how pretty it is, look. Check it out. That's done when it's about 145 on internal temp, y'all. Got a good bourbon sauce right all over it. Oh yeah, it smells delicious. Now if them green beans take too long over there, y'all, I'll go ahead on and throw them on the smoker. But remember, you can do this inside, do it on your stove, in your oven, however you want to do it, baby. All right, y'all, so it's been about 1 hour and 20 minutes. Y'all come check it out.